Today I'm sharing my recipe for homemade hot dog chili. I'm Lainey Smith, and this is The Vintage Cook. You want to use a higher fat ground beef. Yes, the inexpensive kind is best. This is 80/20, but the $3.99 tube on sale works perfect. Start by tossing your ground beef and water into a skillet. Crumble the meat as it cooks. This makes it tender and breaks it into those perfect tiny little bits. Drain and save a little bit of that broth for later. Sauté the onion. Add the meat back to the pan. Ketchup. Tomato sauce. Now here's the secret weapon, your chili seasoning. Check the label and make sure salt isn't the first ingredient. You can always add your own salt later. Add a little bit of the broth back in or a little bit of water to get it saucy. Finish with a little touch of sugar. Let it bubble away. This is where the magic happens. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on my next recipe. Thank you for cooking with me today. To print this recipe, visit the link in the description.